Hi, everybody. I am sitting here at home by the fire and, of course, doing some math, right? I just can't stop. Anyway, I was working on the problem you were just working on, and that was 3.5 times 2.5. And so here it is, moment of truth. The answer, 6 1/4. Is not right. Oh my gosh. I know. I know. I wish, people. But let me show you why. It doesn't work. And I'm going to show you via a visual. Okay? Visuals grow our brains, make us even stronger with mathematics. So here we go. I'm going to look at this as an area problem and use an area model to show you that 6 1/4 won't end up being our answer. So if I have one side of my rectangle with a dimension of 3.5 inches or 3.5 feet or 3.5 yards or 3.5 meters or 3.5 whatever, right? 3.5 units is going to be over here, okay? 3.5 right here. Okay, well, I really need to mark it off so you can see what I'm talking about. So I'm measuring. I go 1 inch, or maybe that's 1 foot, whatever. It's 1 unit. And then I go another 1. Now my next 1 should not be way over here. It needs to be about the same size as this. So I go another 1. So there's another 1 inch or 1 foot, whatever. Then I go another. Then I go another. No, I don't. Because it's 3.5. So now I'm only going to go half. So instead of going this full 1 unit, I'm going to go not the full 1 unit, but half of it. Okay? So right here, I'm going to label that as half. And now I'm going to erase this other part because I don't need it. And now I have gone 3.5 for 1 dimension. Now the other dimension is going to be 2.5. All right, here I go. Keeping the idea of 1. There's 1, just about the same as this. And I go about the same again for 2. And then I go again, no I don't, because it's a half. So now I only go, instead of a full 1, I'm going half. Okay? And I'm approximating here. Okay, so I have 3.5 on one side of my rectangle and 2.5 inches or feet or yards, whatever, units on the other. Now I can go ahead and extend and finish off my rectangle. Now if you're drawing this with me, awesome, way to go. But you don't have to. You can just be focused on watching this and seeing what's going to happen here. Okay, because here's the fun part. Now I'm going to go ahead and use maybe green, make it more exciting. I'm going to take these lines down. Okay, so you can start seeing the squares, the area on the inside, and see how many squares there are. See if we get 6 1/4. I already said that that's not the answer, so hopefully it doesn't actually turn out to be 6 1/4. Here we go. All right, I look inside this square, and I got a 1 by 1. This is 1 square. I got another square. I got another square, another square, square, square. Uh-oh, I got 6. Uh-oh. I'm not worried, though, because right here is a half by 1. This is worth, not a full square. I could even outline what a full square would look like here. It's not a full square. It's only half. Yeah. Uh-huh. And this one right here is only half. And this one right here is, oh dang, that's not even a half. That's less than a half. Let me see if I extend out my full square. Right? This is actually worth less than half the square. It's actually, if I draw in these lines, that might help you, a fourth. That's because my dimensions are a half by a half. And a half times a half is a fourth. And now you're like, okay, well, there's the fourth, right? Yeah. But look. Here, I got another half of a square. Here I got another half. And here I got another half. So now, if I put it all together, now I'm going to use my highlighter. Okay. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put these together, that makes 7. Put these together, that makes 8. And then if I put these together, will I be at 9? No, because a half plus a fourth won't be a full square. Because if I have a full square, let me go back and draw it in blue. My full square looks like this. If I put a half of a square with a fourth of a square, this chunk right here, half and a fourth, does not cover a full square. How much does it cover? You might say a half and a fourth. Well, yeah, but I have to put those together. So a half plus fourth, now you might see the answer, is 3/4. So 3.5 times 2.5 will actually give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 3/4. Whoa. So how do you get this answer without having to draw this picture? That's the exciting part. But you have to get prepared to do it. So buckle up and get ready, because here we go.